Hi guys, welcome to my channel Miss Bird. I'm Sarah Bird. I'm going to repot my peace lily today. I'm out in the garden, it's pretty cold and kids are coming home from school at the minute, so it's probably quite loud, and we live off a main road as well, so sorry about the noise. I need to get a lapel mic. But yeah, so I'm going to repot this peace lily today. This is my eldest one and it's quite big. But the other day I noticed that it got some mould on the top of the soil, and while I was scooping it out, because it's apparently scared me Wiggy. Apparently it's not a big deal. So I was just scooping it out, but I noticed that the peace lily had sort of grown in 4 different sections, so I thought I'd repot it in some of the plant pot DIYs that I did the other day, and there'll be a video on this as well, and separate it into 4 smaller plants, so that I've got this big pot to plant my recent Lidl bargain in. So I'm going to get and do that now. I started by gently taking my peace lily out of its current pot. So I just wiggled that a little bit, but it wasn't stuck in there too hard. You can tap the sides of the pot if it is a little bit stuck in there too much. Then I got some soil up my sleeves, so I shook that out. Now I'm just taking some of the soil off of the root ball, just so I can see the roots clearer, get an idea of where to detach them. So I'm just gently, with my finger, just pulling the roots apart, and they're so easy to do. These PUPS really wanted to come out. So that was my first plant. And then I just carried on doing the same with the other 3. Once I've got them separated, I'm just checking for any brown leaves near the roots and just disregarding them, just so it looks a bit healthier. So this peace lily has got a few brown and yellow leaves on it, which I think is because I've been watering it with tap water. So I don't think it's quite liking that, even though it's really grown, and I've had it for quite a long time now, and it's been doing very well. I've collected some rainwater, so I'm going to try watering the PUPS with that instead now, just to see if I can combat those brown and yellow leaves. So now I'm just taking my plant pot and putting the soil back in it. I think that they do better when they've got a little bit of the soil that they were in before. And I'm just finding one of the PUPS that will fit this plant pot the best. I'm making sure that there's enough soil in the bottom of the plant pot so that the roots can continue to grow, but then that there's enough space to put the soil in the top as well to keep the plant upright. And when you do this, just make sure all the roots are tucked in, unlike me, but I saw it in the end and gently tucked it in back with its other friends. I'm just gently patting down the soil now, just to make sure that the peace lily is in there nice and sturdy, so that it can hopefully continue to grow. So that's that guy potted, and I did the same with the other 3 as well, and I just used some really cheap DIY plant pots that I did a video on last week, so I'll put that up in the right hand corner of the video so you can go and check that out. I just think these are really easy to use because they don't cost a lot of money, and so they're great for propagating, so you don't have to go out and buy lots of new plant pots. Look at this Brenny. What are you doing, Wiggy? What are you doing? Are you stuck? Anyway, that's all these bad boys repotted. And this new guy. So thanks for watching, guys. I am quite new to plants, so if you think that I could do something better, or if you've got any tips for me, I'd really like to know them, so comment down below. And if you like this video, please subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'm Sarah Bird Music. The music in this video is mine. It's me and my partner Andy Robertson. We record songs. I'm a singer and he plays all the instruments under the sun. So if you like that as well, go to Spotify and streamers. But yeah, let me know if you've got any tips. And like I say, there will be a video DIY of these pots. So do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and you'll get notified. Thanks guys, bye.